Okay, let's sing some overtones. How to do so? You start with an oo, moo, 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 and relax into it. Listen carefully to the sound itself. Moo. And now start to transform this vowel into the direction of ü, like this. This is an ü like in musique, for the French word for music. So you start with the German ü from Musik, for music, and then you go to the French version of it. Mu, 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 mu. Can you hear the difference between both? It's exactly an octave. And between these both harmonics, you have 3 overtones more, like this. And you find them through gliding through the way between U and Ü. That's very important, that you don't switch to O or Ö, but stay on the road. U and Ü. And the trick I would like to recommend is that you let your lips in front of your mouth, like this. Ooh. This amplifies your overtones, and you let the lips in this position even if you go to the Ü. And the M is as a kind of a contrast between the overtones, so then it's easier for you to listen to your overtones. Mu, 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 mu. So, enjoy your overtones, have fun.